Hello, welcome. You are at the Brand and Buzz stage at Event Tech Live. Zoho will be doing a tech demo just now. Zoho deliver exceptional offline experiences with all-in-one event management platform. If you're here for that, then you're in the right place. They have 10 minutes for their tech demo. So I'd like to welcome on stage Praval Singh, the Senior Product Manager Leader at Zoho. Praval, over to you.
Thank you so much, Miguel. Hi, everyone. Thanks for taking out the time and joining me for this session. It's a quick one. My name is Praval. I'm part of the product marketing team at Zoho. We're a business software company, 2 decades old, with 6,000 plus employees and customers in over 180 countries. So before we get into the product, one of the things that all of us are here for is because we believe in creating experiences, right? We believe in creating experiences for our customers, for our partners, for the stakeholders, okay? And how do you do that is what everybody's sort of trying to figure out, right? And why is it important, right? I would give this example of, how the entire ecosystem around coffee operates as a business today, okay? If you look at the coffee, there are many ways in which you can procure it or buy it. The simplest of all is you could buy coffee beans, okay, and then ground them and use them the way you want, their preferred choice of brewing. You could buy ground coffee, which is packaged and sold in the supermarkets and otherwise. Or you could pick up coffee at a McDonald's, okay, where coffee is moving from a commodity to a service, or you could enjoy coffee at a Starbucks, right? Now, if you see, what has happened is it's still the same coffee pretty much. I mean, not that Starbucks serves great coffee, but it's the experience that counts, okay? So what is happening here, okay? So much so that the experience is being talked about in books and otherwise. Because Starbucks is about coffee. No, Starbucks is about experience, right? So if you look at this tiers of economic value, you could buy coffee beans, ground coffee, a coffee as a service at a McDonald's or some other eatery, or you could look at coffee at Starbucks, okay? How you differentiate actually increases the pricing leverage that companies today have, right? That's one reason why Starbucks is one of the biggest coffee chains in the world, right? They offer experience that free Wi-Fi, great seating, free washrooms, all of that together. Now, offering this experience is beyond just coffee or, the experience of enjoying coffee with good music and Wi-Fi and whatnot, How do we extend that, experience to software, okay? And it matters regardless whether it's coffee or software. So how do you optimize for that? And one of the things that we know comes with good experience is problem solving, okay? How tools that are efficient, are easy to use, save you time, are the ones that you invest in terms of software. So with that, I would like to introduce you to Zoho Backstage. Now, what is Backstage? It's an end-to-end event management software for all groups of people. You could be a corporate, you could be a nonprofit, you could be someone who runs events like these, the one that we are at today, okay? To run conferences, seminars, team offsites, group meetings, and whatnot, okay? And I was looking at some data in the recent times. More than 95% of marketers agree that live events are very, very important for them to make that connection in this increasingly hyper-digital world. And over 85% of them say that technology has played a major role in achieving that, okay, in terms of events. So let's see, how does Backstage live to this, okay? Well, if you think of an event like this, or the one that you might want to host, there are 4 key components to it. Designing your website, your digital marketing promotion, and things like that. Marketing your event, evangelizing it. Engaging with your attendees, and then analyzing the overall value that you get from this, the event that you do. So let's look at how Backstage helps you do that in 5 different slides. So 1, Backstage helps you create your event website. Mobile-friendly, multilingual websites without having to write a line of code. It helps you plan your sessions, your agenda, okay? You can build your agenda in a drag and drop interface. It integrates with Eventbrite, so if you're using Eventbrite to sell tickets, you can integrate it within Backstage. If you have sponsors and speakers at your event, it's an easy management for that as well, built in-house. The next thing it helps you is evangelize or promote or market your event. So it could be creating your social media promotions, could be your ads that you create, or it could be the automated emails that you want to send to your attendees so that they don't miss out on the event information. All of that can be done from within Backstage. And then on the day of the event, you would want people to check in, when they arrive. You can check them in using the mobile app. You can run your entire concierge on the day of the event. So think of making real-time announcements. Hey, we're running late for this session by 10 minutes. Or sort of putting people together during the lunch hour, or a tea break, or any kind of live engagement that you want to do within the session. So if I was using Backstage today, while I'm presenting, you could engage with me, either ask a question using the mobile app, or like something or dislike something. It's real-time engagement with the presenter and the audience that is possible using Backstage. And then it's your business manager as well. So in the session, what was the duration of the session, number of slides, how did people engage with that session, okay? What's the average rating that the session got? All of that in terms of session analytics, attendee insights, and then building a community around that event out after the event as well. So you looked at how Backstage helps you with before the event, during the event, and after the event. That's a full cycle of running successful events, and helps you with designing your website, planning your agenda, helping you market your event, be the concierge and your assistant during the event, and then your overall analytics that you want for the event. All of that from one platform without having to write a single line of code. Well, how is it priced? Starts at £0 if you're a very small business, or if you're not sure about it, trying it out, free, no credit card needed. But as you go up, we have 3 different subscription plans, or for organizations that do not run too many events and want it for a specific event, there is 1 paper event plan as well, okay? And then you have a custom branding add-on, which is, if you are a big event company, want to have your custom domain mapped to it, want to run a custom mobile app for yourself, and then you own the entire branding page and stuff for large agencies. That's all for me today. We are here right across this booth. The team is here. If you would like to get a demo, it's right there. By the way, we're giving away 1 free package for subscription plans that would let you use Backstage in the best possible way for everybody who comes in and tries out setting up a demo event. So you could go ahead and try out to set up your own event. If you do it within a certain amount of time, you get a free subscription as well. Either way, we would love to hear your feedback. And here's to creating great experiences. Thank you so much for dropping by. Appreciate it. If you have any questions, I can take them offline. I'm right across the station. Thank you so much.